Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are skiing in Switzerland, in Laax. Let's check the ski resort together.
Laax is a ski resort in eastern Switzerland, in the Graubünden region. It's known for its modern lifts, freestyle parks and relaxed alpine vibe. In this video I'll show you the slopes, the resort itself and help you decide whether Laax is worth visiting. First, let's talk about how we got there. We traveled by car and it was such a pleasure to watch the weather change from rainy to sunny. The closer we got to Laax, the better the weather became. This happens quite often in Switzerland because of the Alps. Weather can change very quickly, especially when driving into the mountains. Once we arrived in Laax, we parked right next to the cable car, which was very convenient. It was easy to change our shoes there, and inside the parking area you will find rental services, sport shops and everything you need for a comfortable ski day. Navigation is simple, just follow the signs. After getting ready, we headed to the ticket machine. The price was quite high, 150 Swiss francs for 2 half-day passes. Laax is definitely a premium ski resort, so it's important to plan the budget in advance. Also, the ski pass card is paid separately and cannot be returned. It's reusable but easy to lose, so keep it safe. One of the most central places in Laax is the Galaaxy area. I really love the view here. It's more than just a lift station. It's a modern hub with restaurants, panoramic views and spaces designed for rest. Inside you will even find a place called Landing Desk. The place features a bold retro design with 80s details, including old monitors and vinyl records. While waiting for the next lift, guests can relax in the library, a cozy area lived with bookshelves. And now let's get to the most important part of the trip – skiing. We stayed at the Galaaxy area, which is one of the best zones in Laax for beginners and intermediate skiers. Here you will find several easy ski lifts, wide open slopes and also a snow park, where you can watch professionals and brave riders practicing tricks. It's actually really fun to take a short break and just observe how skilled they are. Laax is especially famous for freestyle skiing and snowboarding. In fact, it has won multiple World Ski Awards for its snow parks and freestyle facilities, which is one of the reasons why so many pros train and compete here. The area is located at around 2,200 meters above sea level, which means the snow conditions are usually very good. Even in the warmer or less snowy winters, Laax still managed to keep the slopes in a great shape. I highly recommend checking the interactive map on their website before you visit. It helps to choose the right slope for your level and also it shows which lifts and slopes are open on that day. The slope we skied on was very easy and beginner-friendly. I felt confident there. It was steep enough to practice turns and basic technique, but not scary or stressful. It was wide, well-groomed but not too crowded, which makes a huge difference when you are still improving your skills. Some people struggle with the button lift, also called a drag lift, but this one was quite easy to use. The track was smooth, not too steep, and it didn't feel scary even if you are new to this type of lift. We also got to see how much work happens behind the scenes. Around the area there were powerful snow groomers, which are used to prepare very steep slopes, as well as snow machines, which can create artificial snow when natural snowfall is not enough. At one point we even saw a helicopter flying over the mountains. In ski resorts, helicopters are used for safety control and transporting heavy equipment to places that machines can't reach. Overall, the Galaaxy area is a perfect place if you are learning to ski, getting back into skiing or just want a relaxed and enjoyable ride without too much pressure.
It was an amazing ski day. I'm very happy that we came here. The infrastructure is great. There are a lot of slopes, blue, black, red, whatever you want. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.